In the interest of time, I am going to very quickly do an unboxing of my January Ipsy bag. I was really looking forward to this, so I'm going to take everything out of the bag. By the way, I really like this Dream bag. It's just beautiful. Hold on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I had a little bit of a hard time choosing this month. A couple things were like a given, like the vitamin C serum and the Laura Geller hydrating foundation. It's called Quenching Tint, but it's actually foundation, not really a moisturizer. But I also had two extras that I got with my extra points. Thank you to whoever used my code down below. I was able to get both of those items. It's not often that there are very many things in there that I want, but actually both of those looked really good. So anyway, here is what was in the box. These are the box items, and these are the bonus items. So I'm going to open all these boxes, and I'll talk about each one. And down below, I'll put the prices that these retail for. I know this Farsali is high, and so is the vitamin C. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to go over the bonus items first. The first one, this is actually pretty heavy, is Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. Seraphine Botanicals. They are a cruelty-free brand. This is like really heavy. I'm trying to think how much is in here. I know it's a travel size at least, but I don't know. It looks like 15 mLs, 0.5 ounces. That's actually quite a bit when you think about the fact that most primers are about 1 ounce. So yeah, I really like that. The next thing was kind of like, there was not a whole lot available, but I thought, you know what, Violet Voss, let's get that. I just thought this was a beautiful gold color. It's actually a little bit deeper than it's showing on camera, and there's no way I can make this camera do anything else, but it is a little bit darker than it shows on camera. That's a good size pan, and honestly don't mind single eyeshadows so much these days. Okay, next is an item that I chose, and it's Vibrand C Dual Drop Serum. And this is a pretty good size bottle. I believe it's an ounce. I like that it's got an expiration date on the bottom, which I really do appreciate. And anything with vitamin C is a good thing, right? Then there is this Farsali. This was chosen for me. And this is 1 fluid ounce, 30 mLs, and it's unicorn essence. But when I read it, they give it this silly name, unicorn. I'm not 12, but anyway, it apparently has a lot of good stuff in it, and I'll put something in the description bar for that. This is the Quenching Tint. It's 1.76 ounces, but it's Laura Geller. And it says hydrating foundation. It is in the color light, so I hope it truly is light. I know for me, a lot of times the Laura Geller can run a little bit on the dark side, but I now have a very, very super, like the lightest foundation on earth that I bought so that it can mix with things if they are a little bit too dark. Next thing I chose, and I did choose this, by the way. I can't believe I did this, but I chose this Cologne Rollerball. It smells not right on me. So I will probably be giving this to my daughter. I'll put the notes down below. The notes sounded really awesome, but I'm not wild about this on me. And now that I've tested it, I can't trade it because I just put a little rollerball spot on my arm. So we'll see. It might, everybody's body chemistry is different, and sometimes things that don't smell good on me smell good on other people. So I will offer this to my daughter. it's very expensive and it's very nice, but it just doesn't smell right. But I'll live with it on my arm for a little while longer just to see if it calms down a little bit. So until I make a decision on this, I put it back in the box. I have to wait and see how it feels. It might smell wonderful on my daughter. And the last thing, and these were chosen for me. The only things that were chosen for me were these things. I chose the other things. And this is actually really pretty. They know I like nail polish. However, I think I have enough nail polish. If you watch my nail polish declutter, you know that I got rid of, about 50 or more nail polishes. I did not end up throwing them away, by the way. People were like yelling at me for that. I ended up giving them away, so, to friends and family. So anyway, these look like really nice nail polishes, and I will enjoy those. So all in all, it is a successful box, but, once before I got a cologne through Ipsy, and I read the notes, and I liked it, and I love it, and then I read the notes for this, and just smelling it again, it doesn't smell right on me. It might smell great on my daughter. If it doesn't, then maybe on one of her friends. Yeah, this was kind of a gamble that I took, and it didn't pay off. So it's not Ipsy's fault. It's my own fault. So anyway, I am overall very happy with the items that I got, both in the bonuses and in the bag itself. I really like the bag. I think it's really pretty. It's got a beautiful design, and yeah, this was pretty good. I do like this stuff that I got. And thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Oh, and I didn't want to test this just yet because I don't want to start the clock running on it, because it only has so much time once you open it. So I'm going to leave that in the box until I'm ready to try it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make it more available to other YouTubers to see, and you'll help my channel to be more successful if you do that. I'm sorry I'm not on camera. I knew that given the amount of time I have, I've been sick, by the way. You can hear it in my voice a little bit. But given the amount of time that I have, this would have sat for way too long before I shared it with you. So thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.